This is gonna blow your mind. Did you know there's a city where you can see geysers, volcanoes, and the northern lights all in one place? Welcome to Reykjavík, Iceland, the northernmost capital in the world, surrounded by stunning natural wonders. Explore the Golden Circle and see Geysers, the hot spring that named all geysers. Marvel at Gullfoss waterfall and the geothermal energy powering the city. In winter, catch the northern lights dancing above, plus don't miss Hallgrímskirkja Church inspired by volcanic landscapes. Reykjavik is unlike any other city. Comment below on what city you want to see next.